Here's how to check if your device is connected to the main node or a satellite. So the first thing that you're going to do is to open your TP-Link or any router application that you have and click on Online Clients. Afterwards, you will be able to see the devices that has been connected to the mobile network or router that you have. Now, go ahead and click a device that you want to see how it is connected to the main node or satellite. Now, once you click on a device, you will see there how it is connected to the MAC as well as the IP. You can also go ahead and see some offline clients. Offline clients are those devices that has been connected with the past 30 days. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there also their identification and details as well as how it is connected to other satellites. And that is how you check it is.